In this video we are going to learn about remote login protocol. Now it is very clear we can remotely log into another device. That particular device no need to reside within our network, right? Maybe it is in the internet, because in other country, still we can use remote login protocol to log into such devices. There are two commonly used text type remote login protocol. One is secure shell, it is secure, and other one is telnet, it is not secure. Both are command line. Additional to the command line, there is a graphical user login as well, that is remote desktop protocol. That is actually we will be using the graphic, but SSH and telnet only use the text. The difference between secure shell and the telnet: SSH is secure, encrypt, but telnet use plain text. That is the difference. Then additional to remote logging protocol, will be using protocol like FTP, file transfer protocol, that is to transfer files between remote devices. Now normally when we are accessing the website, we will be using HTTP or HTTPS, then we can view the graphic. Once you use the FTP, you can't see any graphic. Actually it will display everything in folder format. So this is mainly used to handle files and folders. To access, we will be using FTP protocol, not HTTP. Here FTP : / then FTP dot, this is the domain name. Then it will show all available files, folders within this domain. So we can provide username and password. Normally for registered users, wherever we are, whatever the FTP site we are logging, user account should be there, right? Using those username and password only we can log into those FTP site. But anonymous login, we can use the name anonymous or otherwise FTP, and for the password can use email address, right? That is previously we no need to register. Normally for the public FTP site it is provided, right? For the password we can use the email address. Then FTP-SC is the secure version. FTP is not secure, but FTP-SC is actually file transfer protocol secure. Then SCP, that is secure copy protocol. This is normally used in only Unix platform. Unix platform only use, right? That means we know our platform is Microsoft, right? Then Ubuntu, like Linux platform also there, it is closer to the Unix. Unix only first of all introduced the text based network operating system, right? So SCP is supported in Unix platform. This also for actually remote secure file transferring, but available only in Unix platform. Now I think the protocol type is very clear. We already learned about addressing, name addressing, but again I'll be explaining with the number addressing and the name addressing, right? Addressing types, one is web address. Here we'll be using letter addressing system, that is domain name system will be used, right? That is very user friendly name. We normally not typing any IP address when we accessing the website, right? We will be using user friendly name, domain name system, right? There I have clearly explained what is the top level, second level, how the domain name is made, right? When you are accessing the website, what is the name we are using from down www to root domain, right? Those all actually the names will be used. Additional to that, to identify particular device in the network, we need a unique address. So that address is provided by IP address. There are two versions, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 use 4 bytes, that means 8 bit dot 8 bit dot 8 bit dot 8 bit, right, separated by dot, 4 fields, then 8 4s are 32. So then we can calculate the combination 2 to the power 32. That much of actually combination is possible using all these, but still it is not enough when we consider the entire world. That is the main reason they later introduced IPv6. This is actually no limit, right? No limit at all. Here there is a limitation, and here the one field is 8 bit, then 2 to the power 8, right? We can make 256 combination from 0 to the final value. The final value will be 255. So we can actually provide 0 to 255 value in any of these 8 bit dotted separated field. But here we need to consider can't exceed 255. Any of this field should be 255 or below 255, right? That's why the maximum 255. Here the decimal numbers will be used, but here hexadecimal numbers will be used. That's what we get B, D, A, right? After 9 we use ABCD, for hexadecimal. So clearly understand, IPv6 use hexadecimal, IP4 use decimal value, right? Then email address, that's the basic idea we all know, right? Email address actually consists username. It only uniquely identify the user. Then the host part. Host part means actually this is @ symbol and the domain, but this gives actually the name, right? Name of the domain. Therefore we are calling it is actually the server host name, and only this portion we are calling it as a domain name. So domain name, host name, and the username, right? Now you can take your book and go to all the questions and see. You should be able to answer without any issue. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.